A question we hear a lot is, how soon can you begin my roof project? And it makes sense because a roof investment is a big investment. People have been thinking about it for quite a while, and we want to get it done, especially if the roof is leaking. So there are two factors that kind of go into that. One is the time of year. Usually in the spring and in the fall, our booking times will extend 4, 5, even 6 weeks sometimes. And that's due to the fact that there's just more people calling, more people wanting to get the roofs done at that time, because we're coming out of winter in the spring and people are thinking, okay, spring, summer, what are my house projects? And then in the fall, we're thinking, I got to get my roof done before this, before bad weather hits, before the snow is on it. And so those are two times that are usually fuller than others. Another factor is weather. We work outside, we're there to protect you from the weather, but obviously we're kind of dependent on that as well, in that it's really hard for us to guarantee we're going to be out there on this date at this time, because what if it rains 3 times, between now and then? We don't want to open your roof up if it's raining, or if there's bad weather predicted. We have to extend that schedule. So the weather plays a factor in when a project can be completed as well. We can work year-round. We try to work spring, summer, fall, winter. And when someone does contract with us, if they do have a roof leak that they want to get done, but we're booking out 6 weeks, we'll get out there usually within 1 week of sign up, just to stop the leak temporarily, so that they don't have to worry about the water continuing to come inside until the roof can actually be replaced in a few weeks. So typically we want to get out there within 3 to 4 weeks of someone signing up with us. Obviously that is affected by the factors I mentioned, weather, time of year, how many other people are on the schedule. But we try to stick to 3 or 4 weeks if at all possible.